second. And well, I bet this doesn't look any different than the last video that I shared, but they do have a foundation in this part, and they have the master bedroom, but some exciting things have happened. When they went to refix the 1900s section, they had to knock it all down. I'm gonna share some clips that had of the demolition, which is pretty cool. I did them on my phone, so they'll be different than these videos, so I'm gonna just plunk them in and edit this all together. But yeah, we're getting a brand new house. I mean, I'm not well, long story short, they got halfway started on the other part of the house, and the delay happened because now they need to tear down the rest of the house. It's just crazy.
Yeah, the main thing we gotta watch that fireplace might go down.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at
It's not our intention, but see if we
this place. Since we've been here, we've learned so much about who actually lives here and has lived here.
And then that started my husband's career.
they knocked down everything around there.
That's cool. I mean, I'm not complaining. I did complain. I'll be 100% honest. There was a point where I said, you know, I think I'm ready to leave. And then I thought, well, we're gonna get a brand new house to live in, and I'm not gonna be complaining about that because I really like it. Another development is they got us another trailer because there are 6 of us, and wanted to make sure that we were all comfortable during the winter, because this obviously is not going to be done. The anticipated due date is February 1st, 2013, and we're here in December. It's not really that much longer. We've actually been in since June 18th, 2012. And what am I doing out here at the power box? Now this one didn't trip. Our power has been tripping, and we had a huge storm the last week. But let me go back around here the other way. Hope this isn't making you sick. I really can't tell. Yeah, but I have my washer and dryer inside the garage. And when the power tripped, I actually have 2 boxes that I need to do here. And I'm sure this one blew. Yeah, see it right there. Hold on just a second. I can't hold this up, so I gotta. Well, I can't use the power in my workshop because that actually, I just heard a pop and a boom. I need the electrician to come out today. Anyway, let's just keep taking our little tour. Okay, it's a little difficult to walk around because we had, like I said, we had a storm. But here's the footprint of the house. They're just waiting for the final approval. They're gonna put the forms in for the foundation. I don't know if you can tell it. The house is expanded probably a good 60. It's going to give us another 378 square feet, which will be great. So it's going to be a lot bigger. I'm really excited. I wasn't excited before, and I didn't make clips because I was so okay. I had a tude, and I just didn't want to present my tude on here. But just wanted to show the 2 trailers together. Another posterity shot. It was really great because they built us a little ramp because it got so muddy here. A ramp that went from point A to point B, and it's just been really great. So not often you hear the sirens here. I just want to get a posterity shot of the backyard befores, because there'll be afters, right?